Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my new video. So in this video I'm gonna show you another problem which is lucky array. So first of all you have to see the question which is give a number and an array A of n numbers and then determine if the array is lucky or not. So if you see the output print lucky if the frequency of minimum element is odd, otherwise print unlucky. So if you see the example you can understand this. First of all you can see we copy the example, so and go to the print and paste here the first example. So you can see first of all eh, there is a number which is 5 and then they take 5 array. So then you can see here is the minimum number is most probably here is minimum number is 5. So here the condition is if the appearance of minimum number is odd, then the array should be lucky, or if the minimum occurrence of minimum number is not odd, so then the array should be unlucky. So you can see, so first of all here you can see 5 is 1 time, so 1 is odd. So for this reason here we in the output we see that the output is lucky. Because if you one module mod 2, then you cannot get 0. So 1 mod 2 is equal not 0, and then we copy the second example and paste into the paint. So we paste the second example. So here you can see the lowest number or the minimum number here is 3, but here the 3 is the appearance of 3 is 1 time, 2, 3 and 4 time. So if you see the appearance of minimum number is 4, so if you mod the 4 by 2, then you can see the answer is 0. So it's not even number, not odd number, it's even number. So for this reason here output should be unlucky. Say here I take made a mistake, I have to write unlucky. So then let's start. So first of all here we already has a package and scanner class. So first of all we have to take a input from user, so we write int is equal to sc dot next int, then we have to declare a array, so we write int array is equal to new int, and in the bracket first bracket third bracket we write n, because the array size is the same about about the first number which we take from the users. Then we write int minimum and int count is equal to 0. So then we write a for loop. Here we take another variable and which is I. The starting point of I is 0 and the ending point is I before the n. So I write I is less than n and the update of I is I plus plus, and then we take the array from the user. So we write array of I is equal to sc dot next int. So then we write minimum is equal to array of 0. So we initialize the array of the value of array of I. So we initialize the minimum, now minimum. So then we write a loop which is for loop, and here we write int I is equal to 0 and I is less than n I plus plus. So here we take a base case, a case which is if minimum is greater than array of I, then minimum is equal to array of I. So when it's happen, so then we again copy the for loop which we already taken. So we write another case which is if array of I is equal to minimum. When array of I is equal to minimum, then counter, then count number should be increased one by one. So after that what can we do? So we have to write that if counter, if count mod 2 is equal not 0, then we print lucky. So we are shout, which means system.out.println ln, and into the bracket we write lucky, and if and we write else. So in this we write unlucky according to our question. So then we save the program and save the code and run the code and paste here the example. So you can see the first example is accepted, which the output is unlucky, and here we see unlucky and lucky, and the second example here output is unlucky, and we also see the answer which is unlucky. So then we copy the code and go to the problem and have to go submit code and then paste the code here, and after all of these things we have to press the submit button, and then you can see it's accepted. So thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.